Hello and good afternoon. My name is Bruce Small. I am doing the presentation on correcting the overdose problems at Springfield General Hospital. The agenda goes as follows. Slide 1, title page. Slide 2, the agenda, which is what we're on now. Slide 3, problems at Springfield General. Slide 4, national problem, not just a Springfield General. Slide 5 is a continuation of Slide 4. Slide 6, the change process. Slide 7, the treatment failed. Slide 8, mutual agreement. Slide 9 will be the end of the presentation with questions if necessary. Problems at Springfield General. Springfield General wanted to use technology to solve medical mistakes that have been plaguing the institution for years. Prescribing errors, confusion over drugs with similar names, inadequate attention to the synergistic effects of multiple drugs. National problem, not just a Springfield problem, because this happens all over the country. Related errors are lumped together under the label adverse drug event. These events kill or harm more than over 770,000 patients annually in the U.S. Healthcare costs due to adverse drug events raised by several $100 billion per year nationally. Handwriting identification is the most common type of error. You guys, you doctors, you write like chicken scratch, or your writing is chicken scratch. Nurses know it. Sometimes they can decipher it, sometimes they can't. Prescribing can be difficult due to poor or ineligible handwriting. The change process. They came up with a better way to try and do the change process. The solution administrators at Springfield General implemented a computerized system to address the process. The CPOE, or the Computerized Physician Order Entry system, was brought in to ensure safety and accuracy by the following steps. You can see here, prescription for medications and treatment entered to the hospital IT network. Computer entries available to all hospital staff, including treatment and pharmacy staff. The system catches all prescription errors, incorrect doses, duplicate requisitions, patient allergies, and adverse impact statements of multiple medications being prescribed. The system would also display the patient's complete medical history as well as any clinical guidelines for treatment. The treatment failed, gentlemen, doctors. It simply didn't work as expected because of a variety of reasons. Incorrect doses information. Doses information listed in the CPOE display were based on the pharmacy's warehousing and purchasing decision, not on clinical guidelines. Discontinuation failures. Ordering new or modifying existing medications is usually a separate process from canceling or discontinuing an existing medication. Computer interface creates medication canceling ambiguities, which can result in prescriptions not being canceled. So patient gets prescribed two medications that can actually counter each other. Adverse drug event. Patient confusion. Incorrect patient files are selected due to similar names and drugs being close together. Different CPOE computer screens offer differing colors and typeface for the same info, which causes physicians to misinterpret the information. In other words, the thing was a complete mess. Safety is everyone's business. The Springfield administration must anticipate errors, but take the necessary realistic steps to correct those errors. Past events must be reviewed and analyzed with goal towards learning and not punishment. Management needs to be proactive by listening to doctors, nurses, and other support staff to help minimize error traps and error-producing factors. We get senior administration to listen to what you guys, the doctors who are actually doing this yourselves, we can make this for a better learning process. This is the end of the presentation. Are there any questions?